Hey friends, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm doing a quick, fun video of 10 essential oils that you have never heard of. I was just on Revive's website and I was just going through single essential oils. I'm always just looking and investigating and finding new things and furthering my education. So I wanted to just check on some essential oils that I hadn't heard of. And there were so many. Their variety is just crazy. They have so many different single essential oils, so many blends, but I have 10 that some of them I had never heard of, some are just really uncommon, but I just wanted to do this fun quick video and show you, maybe introduce you to some new essential oils. I am an affiliate with Revive, so I have a 10% off coupon down below if you want to use that. And then everything that I talk about and links to shop will be in the blog post, which is also linked down below. Number one, and these are in no special order whatsoever. Number one is Seafenol. Never heard of that before. And in this blog post, I have the pronunciation for each of them too, because we all know how bad I am at pronouncing words I don't know. So this one can be used in a skin, a body scrub, a bath soak. So think that type of way to use Seafenol. It's also known as the rock samphire, which was prized in ancient Greece for its culinary and medicinal benefits. So it's been around forever for skin health, digestion, things like that. And there's a couple of different ways to use it. The next one is Arborvitae or tea. The Latin name is Thuja plicata, which is also on there. But think using this one in ways like a bug spray or grounding. It has, I guess, an aroma similar or in the same earthy family, frankincense, cedarwood. You can also use it in a little recipe with olive oil for a wood polish. So it means tree of life, which also the baobab is also known as the tree of life. It was revered by Native American tribes for its medicinal properties, including respiratory and wood preservation. So that's why it's used or has it in a wood polish. But I thought that was interesting. Oh, I almost forgot. I was going to share the aroma too. So I have a description of the aroma. I don't have the essential oils in front of me because one, they're super rare. If I order all 10 of these, they're just going to sit on my shelf and I'm not going to use them. And that's just a lot of money to spend on 10 essential oils I'm not going to use. So anyways, I have the aroma description, but not the oils in front of me. Seafenol is fresh, salty, herbaceous, and slightly citrusy, which sounds really good. I might want to order that one. So the Arborvite or Arborvitae is warm, woodsy, earthy, sweetly slight undertones. So that does remind me of sandalwood, a cedarwood. So it's in that type of family. Number 3 is Catnip, and this one I do have and I've heard of, but maybe you haven't. So this one was studied in its effectiveness against bugs. So it's in my favorite bug spray, which I don't have around me right now, but it's just called Bugs Away. It's a blend from Revive and it smells really good. It doesn't smell like a lemongrass citronella bug spray that we're used to, especially natural ones. So it smells better and it's really effective. Catnip was, look up that study or I'll try to put it in this blog post, but it's been used since Roman times for teas and remedies for colds, digestive issues, long before it was famous for its effect on catnip or cats. So catnip essential oil, don't give that to your cats, but obviously the plant catnip, cats really go crazy for. Our cat loves it. I just sprinkle it on the ground and he just eats some of it and rolls around in it and just loves it. But anyways, the plant and the essential oil, two different things. Don't give the oil to the cat. Outdoor spray. So again, it's really great and effective for bug repellent properties. Calming diffuser blend. If you like this aroma, use it in a calming diffuser blend. And then, did I already do the aroma? It's green, herbaceous, and slightly minty. So it doesn't smell bad. Like I said, like the citronella, I'm just so over citronella and lemongrass. They're so strong. And I feel like they're in so many spring and bug and plant things that I'm trying to just find replacements or alternatives for. Number 4 is Dill. Dill is Ananthum graviolinens, the Latin name. Dill aroma is fresh, herbaceous, slightly sweet, and reminiscent of pickles, just because we have that tied to a pickle jar, right? Dill. So you can use it in a digestive massage oil diffuser blend if you like it. It can also be effective in reducing feelings of stress, so you can use it in that way too. And again, that's only going to work if you like the aroma. So dill was highly valued in ancient Egypt and Greece, both as culinary herb and for its calming properties. Easing tension and supporting digestion are some of the main reasons to use it. Number 5 is Lantana. This one is Lantana camara. Fresh, sharp, herbal, slightly floral. This one can be used in a massage blend, a steam inhalation, or air freshener, things like that. It's traditionally used in folk medicine for treating respiratory ailments and skin irritants. Number 6 is Leleshwa. This one, Latin name, I'm not even going to try to butcher. It's super long. I'll try to put them here, but they're in this blog post too. But this one's camphorous. Crisp, slightly sweet, and slightly herbal. So we can think medicinal. Camphorous oils are going to be ones that are respiratory support. So this one can be used to cleanse the air. It's often called the African wild sage. So it's been used for centuries for wound care, skin cleansing, and purification rituals. Because it has powerful cleansing properties, it's really good in skincare, especially for acne-prone skin. So you can make it or add a drop or two to some of your serums or spot treatments if you make your own like that. You can also use it to support scalp with the cleansing properties that it has. It's really good in using for that too. Then lastly, Leleshwa is also a great insect repellent as well. So there's a theme with some of these too. Number 7 is Niaouli. So this one is fresh, medicinal, slightly sweet, and camphorous. It supports respiratory, skin cleanser, immune boost. So this one's really cool because it has a lot of the same properties as tea tree essential oil, which we all know tea tree is super powerful. Antimicrobial, antibacterial, all of those. But this one is a little more gentle and can be used around pets where tea tree isn't a safe alternative. So we can use it to fight acne, alleviate allergies, natural cleaning, and then also it just is that super powerful antibacterial essential oil that can be used for just so many different things as well. It was traditionally used for wound healing, respiratory support, and cleansing properties. A lot of these essential oils are super affordable too. Most essential oils at Revive are, unless it's a super bougie oil like Rose, where they have actually 2.5, so smaller essential oil bottles, which makes them more accessible to people. But Revive's prices are just the best, and their quality, they test 20 different ways and they're very transparent. So that's why we recommend them too. Number 8 is Nootka. This one is woody, smoky, slightly peppery, resinous. So this one is steam distilled from the wood of the Canadian conifer plant. So it's a tree oil, bug protection, revitalizing, soothing skin. So think of it in the same ways as we use other tree oils. So add it to a floor wood cleaner. You can use it for respiratory support or mood boosting properties. All tree oils are just so great and effective for mood boosting because it's like walking into a forest. Same and similar types of ways it works with your brain and all of that. Natural deodorizer. So use Nootka in that type of way. And then number 9, actually I have 3 more. There's 11 in this list. I didn't even realize that. Number 9 is Plai, which is fresh, spicy, warm, slightly peppery. So this one can be used like musculoskeletal. So a muscle rub, a bath soak, things like that. So this one's going to help with minor pain relief, kind of mood boosting, promoting feelings of relaxation. Number 10 is Yuzu. So this one is bright, zesty, sweet, tangy with floral notes. This is one that I really want to get my hands on. Yuzu is mostly used as a mood boosting essential oil. So again, an aromatic bath diffuser, make a roller for mood boost purposes. Yuzu is a citrus fruit native to East Asia, traditionally used in Japan, a winter solstice bath to ward off colds and promote relaxation. Number 11 is Priprioca, which is earthly, woodsy, slightly spicy, a subtle sweetness. This one is used a lot in natural perfume as a base note. Meditation is from the Amazon rainforest. Think of this one as using in a perfume type of way or grounding for meditation. You can make a beard oil or a men's cologne with it. For its warm woodsy scent. It's historically used for its unique scent and ritual purification. So a lot of the same kind of uses in history with these essential oils, but I thought it was just cool to jump into and look a little bit into some oils that I hadn't heard of or definitely haven't used. There's a couple that I want to order. I'm really interested to see what Seafenol smells like. I really want to order Yuzu, and then also the Priprioca. I really want to try to see how it smells to make the new men's cologne or new men's aroma. That's it for today. Hopefully you learned something new. Let me know which one of these essential oils you want to try. Thank you guys so much for watching. Again, the link to shop Revive will be down below with a coupon code. Have a great day. Bye.